Hi everyone, this is AP Singh. I welcome you all on my channel Medicos Marathi. Hope you all are happy and healthy. My dear friends, today we are going to discuss previous year questions in form of quiz. Okay, and if I talk about subject, then we are going to discuss anatomy previous year questions. Okay, so before starting our today's discussion for previous year questions, I want to request all those who are new to my channel, my dear friends, subscribe my channel and press on notification bell icon so that you can get updates for all important upcoming videos. Okay, so let's start. First question: name the skin receptor responsible for detecting rapid vibration sense. Okay, so बताना क्या है? Skin receptor. Okay, what we have to tell? We have to tell skin receptor. Okay, for detecting what? For detecting rapid vibration. Okay, and it is the question of FMG. Okay, FMG 2020. Okay, FMG 2020. So what are options? Misner corpuscle, Vaccinian corpuscle, Merkel cell, Ruffini corpuscle. So let's see what is the answer of this question. Answer of this question is Puxinian corpuscle. Okay, so Puxinian corpuscle are generally known for detecting rapid vibration sense. Okay, so rapid के लिए ये है, तो ऐसा भी होगा कि कुछ स्लो के लिए भी होगा. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, if the vibration are slow or if they are not rapid, okay, if they are not rapid, if they are not fast, if they are slow, means nearly 10 to 80 hertz, then they are detected by Misner corpuscle. And if the vibration are rapid, means from 80 to 450 hertz, then they are detected by Puxinian corpuscle. Okay, so what were another options? Another were Merkel cell, Ruffini corpuscle. So what is our next question? Next question: identify arrow marked structure. Okay, it is question of FMG 2020. So let's see here structure, and it is arrow marked structure. So you have to identify the structure. Options are in front of you: midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata, and spinal cord. Okay, so what do you think? What is this complete structure? Okay, and what is this particular marked structure here? I think this image is visible to everyone. So let's see what is this structure. So my dear friend, this marked structure is मिड ब्रेन. ओके, ये मार्क जो स्ट्रक्चर है यहाँ पर, ये क्या है? मिड ब्रेन है. ओके, व्हाट वर अनदर ऑप्शंस? pons, medulla oblongata, and spinal cord. So correct answer is midbrain. So you can mark this twice that it is midbrain. Okay. What is next question? Next question is that a young age male met with bike accident and had severe injury to ilium and jejunum. Okay, you can highlight this line: ilium and jejunum. Therefore the entire ilium and partial jejunum were resected. Okay, was resected. Okay, so वो उस condition में क्या हुआ था? Was resected. Okay, so and which of the following the patient will suffer from? It is question of NEET PG 2020. Okay, constipation, pernicious anemia, gastric ulcer, विटामिन B12 डेफिशिएंसी. सो क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक यंग एज मेल है, इलियम और जेजनम में इंजरी हुई है, देयरफॉर एंटायर इलियम पार्शियल जेजनम वाज रेसेक्टेड. ओके, रेसेक्ट कर दिया गया. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेशेंट विल सफर फ्रॉम? ओके, सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर? लेट्स सी. The correct answer is vitamin B12 deficiency. What was our question? Question was a young age male met with bike accident and has a severe injury with ilium and jejunum. So if I tell why vitamin B12 deficiency, so my dear friends, the work of vitamin B12. Okay, vitamin B12 generally absorbed by ilium. Okay, and in this case you can say there are severe injury to ilium and jejunum, and jejunum generally known for vitamin B9. Okay, jejunum is absorbing vitamin B9. Okay, B9 vitamin is absorbed by jejunum, and duodenum is known for iron. So here no case of duodenum, but ilium and jejunum both are here injured. Okay, so if both are here injured, then what absorption is stopped here? So my dear friends, it is vitamin D12. And if vitamin D12 is not absorbing, okay, then it will lead to vitamin B12 deficiency anemia. Okay, if here in option the examiner gives folate deficiency anemia, then it can also be a correct answer. So I also write here it as a folate B9, vitamin B9 is absorbed through jejunum section. So what is next question? Next question is a 65-year-old woman present with cerebrovascular accident involving inferior frontal gyrus. Okay, you have to read this line, inferior frontal gyrus. Which functional area would mostly be affected? And this question was of NEET PG 2020. So let's see options: visual, auditory, sensory speech, motor speech. So what do you think? Okay, I highlighted here two things: cerebrovascular accident involving inferior frontal gyrus. Okay, and the answer is hidden in inferior frontal gyrus. So let's see what is the answer is motor speech. Okay, so I will tell you how it will be motor speech. Okay, so other options were visual, auditory and sensory. So what hint I given you? Inferior frontal gyrus. So let's see the answer. So my dear friends, motor aphasia, or there is a motor aphasia means it is a disorder. Okay, it is a problem related to motor speech. Okay, it will affect. So motor aphasia, in this condition, this disorder or this kind of lesson found in Broca's area. Okay, this found in Broca's area, and Broca's area, it is related to Brodmann area. Okay, and where we can see this Brodmann area? We can see this Brodmann area in inferior frontal gyrus. So okay, so here if the inferior frontal gyrus is affected, means the Brodmann area is affected. And if the Brodmann area is affected, the main area which is known for speech, that is Broca area. Okay, Broca broke हो गया, तो speech क्या होगी? Break हो गई. Okay, Broca is known for motor, and if the Broca is broke, means the speech is broke. So the answer is motor speech. So the correct answer is motor speech is affected. Okay, so this question was for NEET PG 2020. What is next question? Identify the cell marked in histological image of cerebellum. Question was of NEET PG 2020. Okay, so here you can see. What do you think? What is this histological marked structure? Okay, options are Purkinje cell, basket cell, Golgi cells, granular cells. So let's see what is the answer. So my dear friends, the correct answer is Purkinje cells. Okay, correct answer is Purkinje cells. Whatever another options, basket cell, Golgi cells, granular cells. Okay, so let's see. Here I put it a diagram for you. Okay, here in this image you can clearly see it is a Purkinje cell. Okay, and here in this home you can also see the basket cell. Here you can also see satellite cell, and here you can see granular layer. Okay, here you can see the granular cells. Okay, what is another image I have here also? It is clearly showing you this Purkinje cells in cerebellum. Okay, this is Purkinje cells. Okay, this is Purkinje cells. Okay, here you can see this complete is a Purkinje cell dendrites. Okay, here like this dendrites are present. Okay, so this is our question. So marked structure is Purkinje cell. What is next question? Which type of joint is present at the arrow mark shown in X-ray of pelvis? And this question was in FMG December 2020. So let's see. So let's see. What do you think? What is this area? First you must know this area. Okay, and if you know this area, you know the joint which is present at this area. So it can be primary cartilaginous joint. Okay, it can be secondary cartilaginous joint, it can be fibrous joint, it can be synovial joint. So what do you think what it can be? So let's see. इट इज सेकेंडरी कार्टिलेजनस ज्वाइंट। ओके, क्या है ये? सेकेंडरी कार्टिलेजनस ज्वाइंट है। ओके, सो दिस हाईलाइटेड एरिया इज टेलिंग यू अबाउट दिस इज secondary cartilaginous joint. Okay, what were another options? Primary, fibrous, synovial. So correct choice is secondary cartilaginous joint. So let's see. Here you have primary cartilaginous joint, bone are connected by hyaline cartilage, and in secondary cartilaginous joint bone are connected by fibrocartilage, and there is no movement. Okay, synchondrosis, primary cartilaginous joint also said as synchondrosis, and secondary cartilaginous joint is said as symphysis. Okay, and there is a limited movement. Epiphyseal cartilage of growing bone. Okay, here it is epiphyseal cartilage of growing bone. Okay, and this is joint in the middle line. Okay, this joint is in the middle line. Here you can say in this image it is epiphyseal cartilage, and here you can see it is a symphysis pubis. Here it is present as a secondary joint. In another image you can also see pubis, symphysis, and this blue mark here you can see this is our secondary cartilaginous joint. So my dear friends, this is about our today's quiz. Okay, I tried to make this quiz on the basis of previous year question, and here you see that I brought every previous year question as it was written in exam. Okay, according to exam I brought in front of you. If you feel that it's very helpful, then you can share this quiz with your friends and say them to subscribe my channel and press on notification bell icon so that they can get updates for all important upcoming videos. And till this time, if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel and press on notification bell icon so that you can also get updates for all important upcoming videos. Before ending our today's lesson, I want to say you something, that if you can't fly then run. Okay, अगर उड़ नहीं सकते हो तो चलो. If you can't run, अगर भाग नहीं सकते हो then walk. वॉक करो, ठीक है, स्लोली. इफ यू कांट वॉक देन क्रॉल, रैंक का चलो. अगर चल भी नहीं सकते हो तो रैंकना शुरू कर दो. एंड बट वट एवर यू डू, कुछ भी करो, यू हैव टू कीप मूविंग, चलते रहना है बस, ठीक है. तो सिंपल सी बात क्या है, डोंट स्टॉप योर सेल्फ, जस्ट कीप मूविंग. ओके, one day you will sure met the success. So thanks to everyone for watching this video, and in the description you can see my Instagram page link. Go and follow my Instagram page also. There you can also get some of the videos and some of the questions. Okay, so stay safe, stay healthy.